Sanjay Ghodawat University, one of India's top-ranked universities, over 165 acres of green campus, over 5,000 students, over 15,000 alumni, over 500 eminent teaching faculties and placements in over 200 companies. Sanjay Ghodawat University, known for quality education and world-class infrastructure.
नमस्कार, मी अभिजित चव्हाण. सर्व प्रेक्षकांनी माझा महाराष्ट्र या चॅनलला नक्की सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू.